Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hey, are you Mia?
Yes, I am. And you?
I am Leo. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, Leo.
Do you know the host?
Yes, Sarah is my cousin.
Oh, Sarah is great.
She really is. And you?
We work together at the bank.
Well, that sounds interesting.
It is, okay, a bit boring.
I can imagine that.
So, are you from here?
No, I am from Chicago.
Chicago is a big city.
Yes, but I like New York.
How long are you staying?
Actually, I live here now.
That is very cool.
I moved here last month.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it is very quiet.
Where do you live?
I live in Queens.
Queens has great food.
I know, the tacos are amazing.
We should find some snacks.
Good idea. I am hungry.
The kitchen is this way.
Lead the way, Leo.
Is the music too loud?
No, it is perfect.
I like this song.
Me too. It is catchy.
Do you dance?
Sometimes, not very well.
Well, maybe later then.
Yes, maybe later.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, a water, please.
I will grab 2 waters.
Thank you, that is kind.
Wait here for a second.
I am not going anywhere.
The kitchen is crowded.
Parties are always like that.
I see the drinks now.
Great, see you in a bit.
I am back with water.
Wow, that was fast.
Here you go, Mia.
Thanks, this is cold.
The fridge is very strong.
Clearly, it is freezing.
So what do you do?
I am a graphic designer.
That sounds very creative.
It can be fun.
I want to see your art.
Sure, I have photos.
These chips are very salty.
But they are so good.
Try this green dip.
Is it spicy?
Just a little bit.
Actually, it is very hot.
Oh no, drink some water.
Oh, my tongue is burning.
Sorry about that, Mia.
It is okay. I like spice.
Do you cook often?
Well, I try to.
What is your best dish?
I make great pasta.
Pasta is my favorite.
What kind do you like?
I love spicy vodka sauce.
That is hard to make.
Not really, it is easy.
You must show me sometime.
Deal, I will cook dinner.
Are you a good chef?
I am the best chef.
I do not believe you.
Wait and see, Mia.
I will be the judge.
Are you still hungry?
A little bit, yeah.
There are mini pizzas here.
Those look delicious.
Want one?
Yes, please. Grab 2.
Here, they're hot.
Thanks. Careful with the cheese.
Ouch, too late.
Did you burn your mouth?
Just a little.
We are a mess today.
Parties are for eating.
I agree with that.
What is in that bowl?
It looks like fruit.
Fruit is healthy.
Well, we need some health.
After all these chips,
Yes, balance is important.
you are very funny.
I try my best.
Is Sarah a good cook?
No, she burns water.
That is a bad sign.
Luckily, she ordered this food.
Smart move by her.
She is very smart.
Where did she order from?
The place on Main Street.
I love that place.
Me too. Their pizza is top tier.
Let us get more.
Okay, just one more.
Do you like vinyl records?
Yes, the sound is better.
I have a small collection,
Really? What genres?
mostly old jazz and rock.
Jazz is very relaxing.
Who is your favorite artist?
Maybe Miles Davis.
He is a legend.
Actually, I like Bowie too.
Bowie is very cool.
What about you, Leo?
I like 80s pop.
That is fun for dancing.
I am a bad dancer.
I told you that already.
Well, I can try.
Maybe after another drink?
Yes, that helps.
The music is getting louder.
People are starting to dance.
Look at Sarah go.
She has great energy.
She always does.
Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar.
Wow, are you good?
I am just a beginner.
How long? 2 years?
No, only 6 months.
That is still impressive.
My fingers always hurt.
That is normal for guitar.
I hope it gets easier.
It does. Keep practicing.
I will try my best.
I will hold you to that.
Okay, deal.
Is this song by Queen?
Yes, I love this one.
It is a classic.
Turn it up, Leo.
I am not the DJ.
Well, go find him.
He is in the kitchen.
Go tell him.
Okay, I'll be back.
Do not take too long.
I will be fast.
I am waiting right here.
Don't move.
I am like a statue.
I love your blue shirt.
Oh, thank you so much.
It is a great color.
Blue is my favorite.
How much was it?
Actually, it was very cheap.
Really? It looks expensive.
No, it was on sale.
Where did you buy it?
At a small thrift store.
I love thrift stores.
Me too. You find treasures.
How much? $10?
Actually, only $8.
That is a great deal.
I know, I was lucky.
Your glasses are cool too.
Thanks, these are new.
Are they from Chicago?
Yes, my favorite shop.
I like your green jacket.
This, it is very old.
It looks vintage.
Yes, it was my dad's.
That is so special.
I wear it every day.
The style is very cool.
Well, green is popular now.
You have good taste.
Thank you, you too.
Do you like shopping?
Only for clothes.
I hate grocery shopping.
Oh, me too, it sucks.
The lines are so long.
And the food is expensive.
Clothes are more fun.
Definitely. Do you like hats?
Not really. My head is big.
No, it is not.
It is true. Ask Sarah.
I will ask her later.
Please don't.
I am just joking, Leo.
Well, you look great today.
Thank you, so do you.
Ready for more music?
Yes, let's stand up.
My legs are tired.
We sat for too long.
Let's walk around.
Okay, to the balcony?
Good idea. It is fresh.
I need some air.
Follow me, Mia.
I am right behind you.
Watch your step.
I am watching.
Wow, look at that view.
New York is so bright.
It is much quieter here.
I can hear the cars.
Do you like city life?
Yes, it is very exciting.
It can be very busy.
That is why I'm here.
Do you miss Chicago?
Sometimes, especially the pizza.
Is the pizza better there?
Well, it is very different.
Deep dish pizza, right?
Yes, it is like cake.
I want to try it.
It is very heavy food.
One slice is enough?
Usually, yes.
Do you have siblings?
I have one brother.
Is he in Chicago?
No, he lives in London.
London? That is far away.
I know, I miss him.
Do you visit him?
Once a year, maybe.
I want to visit London.
It is a beautiful city.
Is it always raining?
Actually, no, that is fake.
The movies lie to us.
Yes, they definitely do.
What is the weather tonight?
It is a bit chilly.
Are you cold, Mia?
A little bit. It is okay.
Want my jacket?
No, I am fine, thanks.
Are you sure?
Yes, the air feels nice.
Look, a shooting star.
Where? I missed it.
Right there, over that building.
Oh, I see it now.
Did you make a wish?
Yes, did you?
I did. It is secret.
I will not tell anyone.
Good. It must come true.
I hope it does.
It is getting late.
What time is it?
It is almost midnight.
Wow, time flies.
We should go back inside.
Yes, it is getting cold.
After you, Mia.
You are a gentleman.
I really enjoyed talking.
Me too, Leo. Really?
Do you use Instagram?
Yes. What is your name?
It is just
Leo Smith.
Okay, let me find you.
I see you. Following now.
I will follow you back.
You have many photos.
I love taking pictures.
The beach photos are nice.
That was from last summer.
Can I have your number?
Sure, it is 555-0123.
Got it. Let me text.
I just received it.
Now you have mine.
Great, let's hang out soon.
What do you like doing?
I love visiting museums.
The Met is amazing.
I have never been there.
Really? We must go.
That sounds like a plan.
Are you free next Saturday?
Yes, in the afternoon?
Yes, around 2 o'clock?
2 is perfect for me.
I will text you details.
I am looking forward.
It will be fun.
I hope Sarah comes too.
Yes, the more the merrier.
She loves museums.
Is she a busy person?
Always, she works very hard.
Well, we can ask her.
I will call her tomorrow.
Perfect. I am excited.
Me too, Leo, truly.
Is this your phone?
Yes, it is very old.
The screen is cracked.
I dropped it yesterday.
Oh no, that is sad.
It still works fine.
You should fix it.
Maybe next month. I know a good shop. Is it cheap?
Yes, very fast too.
Tell me the name.
I will send the link.
Thanks, you are helpful.
No problem at all.
You are a good friend.
We just met, Mia?
Well, you seem nice.
I think I should go.
Already? It is early.
I have work tomorrow.
Oh, right. On Sunday?
Yes, the bank is open.
That is very tough.
It is just a morning shift.
Well, good luck with that.
Thanks, I need it.
Are you taking the train?
No, I will call an Uber.
Ubers are expensive now.
Yes, but I am tired.
I understand that.
How are you getting home?
I am walking. It is close.
Is it safe tonight?
Yes, this area is fine.
Still, please be careful.
I will, don't worry.
Text me when you arrive.
I will, I promise.
It was great meeting you.
You too, Leo, truly.
See you next Saturday?
Yes, 2 o'clock.
I will be there.
Don't be late.
I am never late.
We will see about that.
Where is my coat?
It is on the bed.
Found it, thank you.
Wait, where are my keys?
Check your pocket, Leo.
Ah, they are here.
You are very forgetful.
Only when I am tired.
The Uber is here.
Okay, time to go.
Good night, Mia.
Good night, Leo. Get home safe.
You too. Bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Wait, I forgot something.
What is it?
Happy birthday for tomorrow.
Wait, how did you know?
Sarah told me.
She talks too much.
It was a good secret.
Well, thank you, Leo.
Have a wonderful day.
I will try my best.
The car is honking.
Go. Don't keep him waiting.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have a good night.